This is Bolt Tower. This is a part of MAPS 4. All of our capital projects in Oklahoma City benefit from a 1% for art ordinance. We've seen the fruits of that all across the city. It's why in recent years we've been voted the best city for public art in the entire United States.
And this 72-foot landmark sculpture created by Jenny Saban that pays tribute to the Oklahoma City Fair Park's 118-year history.
In starting the design process, I looked at both the history of the site, of the fairgrounds, and also historical artifacts documenting the amazing events that take place here. The primary structure is a tensegrity structure. There's an array of beautiful stainless steel cable, a central compressive mast, and that all comes together as a dynamic set of equal and opposite forces that hold it in place. In the stainless steel time capsule, which is housed in a 3D printed ceramic shroud at the base of the mast of the tower, are close to 80 photographs and captions, as well as a special belt buckle that was part of the collection here. I hope that Bolt Tower, like the previous iconic structures that were here, really inspires new memories